How to create new whiteboard on Zoom PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create new whiteboard on Zoom PC, easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to Zoom and log into your account. Now go to the top corner right here and click on my account option. After you click on my account option, go right here and you will find whiteboards here. It's very easy and new feature. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now click on new whiteboard here or here. It's the same. Click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will be able to add your whiteboard easily. As you can see, it's very easy to use, and after you finish it will be saved automatically, or you can export it from here if you want. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.